Gonna be a Bitcoin update. It's kind of messy, but this is just basically every time we did an update, it started where price action was at. But let's go ahead and just clean this up a little bit. Let's go on the 1 hour time frame. We are currently looking at the price was right here. Price dumped and then it came up, but we had all this on the 1 hour. We had all this selling pressure, and it's underneath our 30 SMA. Not looking good. And I was saying that more than likely it might come down to the lower level of this zone, potentially coming up, maybe doing a lower high, breaking this and attacking this and just breaking down, breaking this zone that we've created as well. However, it did come down to the level that we thought, but when it came up, it did not do a lower high as far as the candle body closes. It actually went a little bit higher, just underneath these wicks, to start coming down. Now we can see that the 30 SMA at the moment on the 1 hour time frame is very strong resistance at the moment. It could easily, break through this and then continue going up. But you could say it's the 30 SMA or possibly even the fixed range volume profile that we have here. And if I can just find out where it's at, and I can't just to extend it, and that's fine. I'm not going to mess with that. Anyway, we do have this zone right here that we're looking at. Let's see here. Anything else that we can see? It's not looking strong. We mentioned that over here. It's not looking strong. Could it go up and break these highs? Sure, of course, but I don't see it doing that. I really don't. I mean, if we do come up, I'm thinking the highest maybe to here, 108.276 possible, to where we do a lower high. And for those that, see this as a shoulder, head, shoulder, it'll be a lower shoulder, which would be good if it comes up this high. But I do think that we're about to roll over, and we're going to see that in a bunch of these coins as well, to where they may have pumped, but it looks like they might start coming down. And you can just do this with pretty much any coin, really. It's on the 1 hour time frame. Come over here. We can just go to hype that came up. It looks like it's going to probably start coming down. Same thing. This one went up, starting to come down. ETH is mimicking Bitcoin really bad right now, or basically just like a mirror image. Here we broke up, and then now we're starting to come down. And we're seeing that on a lot of these too, where they went up, but now we're starting to see come down. So they are following Bitcoin. See how it went up? Now it's starting to come down. They are still following Bitcoin. So in my opinion, if you're going to do any kind of trading, scalp. Just scalp trading. Throw a little bit of leverage on there. It's too risky. So when I post charts, they're usually a lot safer. Sometimes I'll post charts and I'll let you know, higher risk. But right now we only have, I believe, one trade. We gave this one out on the YouTube video, on the YouTube live stream, where the price action was here. I entered a 5x long, and I said the price may come down here into the bounce zone, which was only like 1% or 2% away, or 1 point something percent away. 1% away, which is nothing. So that's why I entered at this time. If you're not watching the live stream, I strongly recommend you do so. And sure enough, look what happened. It came right down to the bounce zone, came up, did a lower high, which is fine. Coming down right now, this is the decision point. Please do not come down. If it comes down to our bounce zone and then rolls over, not good, because then more than likely it might do this. Let's say it does come down, then it comes up, it breaks the bounce zone, and then now it's going for this level, and hopefully this is now our bounce zone, to where now it comes down and then it bounces up. So this is what I'm looking for. If we break through this and it continues to roll over, well, then we get stopped out. But that's all I got. I do thank you guys very much. And if you have any questions, let me know. Take care.